Hi, I'm Jason Snell from 6 Colors, and this is my new iMac Pro. And as you can see, it is mounted on an arm and hovering above my desk. Now, how did I do this? The answer is I bought a regular old iMac Pro, and like in the old days before the 4K and 5K iMac, you can buy a kit to convert it to be mountable on any arm or a standard VESA wall mount. Here's how I did it. First thing is to remove the mounting arm, so I laid my iMac down on a soft surface. Included with the VESA mounting kit is a little cardboard box with screws and tools, and of course there's a space gray aluminum mounting adapter. Step 1, push down the stand so it hangs over the edge of the desk. Then carefully insert the included card so that it pushes on the latch that lets you push the stand down a little bit farther, revealing the screws that attach it to the iMac itself. Tool time! Apple generously provides an Apple-branded T10 screwdriver for this purpose. There are 9 screws on the back. Remove all but the middle one. Apple recommends you hold the stand while removing that last screw in the middle because the stand will come right off. We're left with this iMac stand mount. Now, Apple provides a nice connector. It slides right over those 2 notches on the mount. When that's on, you've got to screw in these 5 screws provided by Apple that attach the connector to the mount. These screws go in loose at first, but they will eventually tighten up. With the connector in place, it's time to pop on the VESA mount adapter itself. You just slide it until it drops around the 2 pins on the back of the connector. This part's really easy. Apple supplies 2 screws to attach the adapter to the connector. And just like that, you've got a VESA mountable iMac Pro. The next step is to attach a VESA arm to the iMac Pro. I popped the top segment off of my mounting arm because it's way easier to attach the arm when the iMac is still face down. 4 screws, 1 electric screwdriver, and we're set. Then it's just time to pop the segment back onto the rest of the arm. And that's it. My desktop iMac Pro has become an iMac Pro on the end of an arm, and I've got plenty of accessible space on the top of my desk again. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out 6colors.com.